back to Body Slayers with La Push. Mina Shem. Ngiyayithanda i-LGBTQ plus. We have them nasebendawo. How are you?
Hi everyone, I'm Tommy Masimola Paka. Hashtag Paka. I'm from Jonalanga, HMB, in Jonalanga. Guys, I love the soul.
Yeah.
What make me love the soul? Music is becoming this. I've got a friend who's a DJ, Ututu, Untanta. Yabatanda guys.
Yabathanda.
Kulang dan quiet, dan machosa, you know.
The vibe.
So the vibe is this.
Yeah.
Yabona ukukhula kwakho umuntu sonke nabosomizi nabothebo bathitha bangi ethangweni.
Yeah.
Hey, sikruvile thina sikruvile Caprivi.
Yeah.
Hey, sikruvile sizenzile zonke nabothebo Manzena bomabrigado. So now isikhathi esibaje usesikhathi sokuthi sanama-soul
Yeah.
R&B sikhathele bafowethu wesikhathele singamageyi
Yeah.
wazini sisifonsile sisenzile sayenza yonke into. Wow, let's continue to pray.
Yes. So mina ngifuna ungitshele ne. Like angithi nama-gay kunama-lesbian.
Yes,
Akwenzakali ukuthi i-gay lijole ne-lesbian.
never loyo uzoba nestand sase-Estaland Park ufuna ukushaywa, loyo uzoba nestand sase-Estaland Park akwenzeki sasekhaya because of, you know what, if you are gay ufuna ufana o-straight or ufuna ufana o-gay. Leyo isenzakali akwenzakali nasekhaya.
Wena uthanda babi, ufuna ama-straight or ufuna abagege? Okay, asikale la. Wena uyithi.
Mina ngisadile.
Okay.
Ngisadile.
Alright. Okay. So wena bathi kunama-top kunama-bottom wena
Bottom.
Oh, wena i-bottom.
Yes.
Oh, okay. So
Yes,
wena
well.
uthanda ama-top. Like,
Yes.
that means you date straight guys.
Yes.
Oh, okay. It's very interesting.
Mamela, I do have friends abajonda abafana laba like abo Thabo bangatami.
Yeah.
Bajonda abafana laba abo Soul, yabona.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hayi, mina ngiyethanda emnandi. Today, I'm so happy.
Ayike kanjalo ke bantwana basekhaya ke ethembisa ke nendawo ke sihlangele ke siyinkonkoni sisho iyo bangani iyo.
Yeah, this is Body Slayers with La Push. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Siyayithanda i-LGBT